Daily English context. Opening a bank account and asking for vocabulary clarification.
You finally landed that amazing job abroad. But right now, you are standing in a foreign bank, and the clerk is speaking so fast it sounds like a different language. Honestly, your palms are sweating. If you do not open this account today, you will not get paid.
Every phrase you studied has vanished from your brain. What do you actually say when you do not understand the banking jargon? Well, do not panic. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to handle this with complete confidence. Let us dive in.
Wait, hold on just a second. Are you telling me that I am not allowed to spend the money in my own account? Because that sounds absolutely crazy. I thought the whole point of a bank was to hold my money until I needed to buy groceries.
Well, not exactly. You can definitely buy groceries whenever you want. But if you spend every single penny, the system gets a bit grumpy and charges you a fee. Honestly, we call it a penalty fee just to keep the account active.
Wait a minute. How did they get here? Let us rewind and look at 3 crucial phrases before we jump into their story. First up is the checking account. This is your everyday account, the one you use for buying coffee, paying rent, and receiving your hard-earned salary. Next is proof of address. Banks are incredibly strict about this specific detail. They need official proof of where you actually sleep at night. And no, a postcard from your mother does not count. Think electricity bills or a formal rental agreement. Finally, when the vocabulary gets way too complicated, just say you are unfamiliar with it. It is a polite, professional way to say you have no idea what they mean. Now, let us see Jessica try to open her account without losing her mind.
Hi there. I really hope you can help me out today. I just moved here for a brand new job, and my HR department says I need an active local bank account by tomorrow morning. I would like to open a checking account, please.
Welcome to the city! Yes, we can absolutely set up a checking account for you today. It is perfectly designed for getting your salary deposited and managing your daily expenses. Did you bring your passport and a valid proof of address with you?
Yes, absolutely. I brought my passport, my visa, and my employment contract. Oh, and for the proof of address, I brought this letter. It just arrived in the mail yesterday, so it has my new apartment number on it. Here you go.
Oh, I see. Well, congratulations on joining the local fitness club. Unfortunately, a welcome letter from a gym does not actually count as proof of address. The bank requires something a bit more official to legally verify your permanent residence.
Oh no, seriously? Oh, not again. I really thought any physical mail with my name on it would work. I do not have a water or electricity bill yet because I literally moved into the apartment 3 days ago. What can I do?
Do not worry at all. This happens all the time with new arrivals. We definitely have a few other options. Do you happen to have your signed tenancy agreement with you? A formal rental contract signed by your landlord works perfectly as proof of address.
Wait, yes, I actually do. It is right here in my bag. Seriously, I carry it everywhere because I am absolutely terrified of losing it. Here is the signed rental agreement. Will this finally prove that I am not completely homeless?
Did you catch that? Jessica successfully provided her proof of address. This is usually the biggest hurdle for expats. Always bring a government letter, utility bill, or signed lease. Now watch closely what happens when George introduces a slightly tricky new banking rule.
This rental agreement is absolutely perfect. I will just scan this document into our system right now. Now, let us talk about the specific terms of your new checking account. You should know that this particular account requires a minimum balance of $200.
I am sorry. A what? A minimum balance? Wait, does that mean I have to pay $200 right now just to open the account? Because my company has not actually paid me my very first salary yet.
Oh no! You do not have to pay me anything today at all. A minimum balance simply means that the total amount of money sitting in your account must never drop below $200. If it does, there is an automatic monthly maintenance fee.
Wait, hold on just a second. Are you telling me that I am not allowed to spend the money in my own account? Because that sounds absolutely crazy. I thought the whole point of a bank was to hold my money until I needed it.
Well, not exactly. You can definitely spend your money, but if you spend every single penny, the system gets a bit grumpy and charges you a $12 fee. It is basically just a rule to keep the account active and entirely free of charges.
Okay, I think I understand, but I am still a little confused by the wording. I am completely unfamiliar with how banking works in this country. Back home, a checking account is just completely free, no matter what you do with your money.
That is totally understandable. Banking systems vary wildly from country to country. Since you are unfamiliar with our specific fee structure, I can actually print out a simplified guide for you. It explains all the hidden charges in plain, simple English.
Oh, that would be amazing. Thank you so much. Honestly, when people use financial jargon, my brain just completely shuts down. Wait, the brochure mentions an overdraft facility. Could you please rephrase that? What does that actually mean for me in real life?
Pause for a second. Look at how brilliantly Jessica handled that moment. She did not pretend to understand. She simply asked him to rephrase it. It is the most powerful sentence you can learn. Let us see how George answers her excellent question.
Absolutely. I can rephrase that for you. An overdraft facility basically means that if you accidentally spend more money than you actually have, the bank will cover the difference. But we will charge you a very high interest rate for borrowing it.
Oh, so it is basically a very expensive emergency loan that happens automatically? Yeah, no thank you. Please turn that feature off right now. I definitely do not want the bank lending me money without me noticing.
That is probably a very wise decision. I will go ahead and completely disable the overdraft feature on your checking account right now. Okay, everything is processing nicely. I just need you to sign these two documents at the very bottom.
Okay, signing right here and here. Right. So, just to be crystal clear, as long as I keep at least $200 in here, this checking account will not cost me a single penny in random monthly fees?
That is exactly right! You have officially mastered the concept of the minimum balance. Your new checking account is now open and fully active. You can safely give these exact account details to your HR department tomorrow morning.
Oh, thank goodness. You have absolutely no idea how stressed I was about this. I was seriously worried I would have to ask my new boss to pay me in physical cash inside an envelope. Thank you so much for your patience today.
You are very welcome. We strongly prefer digital transfers to envelopes full of cash anyway. If you ever find yourself unfamiliar with any other banking terms on our mobile app, just drop by the branch and ask. We are always happy to help.
I will definitely do that. And next time, I promise I will not try to use my gym membership as a highly important legal document. Have a truly great rest of your day, George. I appreciate all the help.
You too, Jessica. Good luck with the brand new job and enjoy your first real weekend in the city. Oh, do not forget to grab your rental agreement off the desk before you leave. You will definitely need that again.
Oh, thank you! I would have absolutely left it sitting right there on your desk. My brain is completely fried from all this new vocabulary today. I am definitely gonna need a massive cup of coffee now.
There is a fantastic cafe right around the corner. Just remember to use your new debit card when you pay. It should arrive in your mail in about 3 to 5 business days. Keep an eye out for a plain white envelope.
Perfect! I will definitely keep an eye out for it. And I will make absolutely sure not to confuse it with another gym letter. Thanks again for taking the time to rephrase everything for me. It really helped calm my nerves.
Not a problem at all, Jessica. That is exactly what I am here for. Have a truly wonderful afternoon, and welcome to our bank. Right. I am completely ready for the next customer in line. Please step forward.
See? Handling your banking in English does not have to be a terrifying nightmare. Jessica faced her fears, admitted when she was confused, and walked out with exactly what she needed. You can do exactly the same thing in your real life.
Let us quickly recap our survival vocabulary. A checking account is for everyday money. Proof of address verifies where you live. If you are unfamiliar with a rule, like keeping a minimum balance, just ask the clerk to rephrase it. Now it is your turn. Which of today's phrases will you use first? A, checking account, B, to rephrase, or C, unfamiliar with? Drop your answer in the comments. Please like and subscribe. It truly helps more learners find these lessons.